Tori checking in at LOJ Fit Club with the Motivation Monday. Today is March the 12th. It's edition. It's cold outside in Atlanta. I don't know where you are, but this cold front, wherever this came from, y'all can have that back. I promise. Um, so I think today is going to be one of the shortest messages. I'm not going to keep you for long, but it's a good message. It actually surprisingly kind of took me a little second to kind of understand how I internalized this African proverb. And the African proverb states, "He who loves the vase loves also what is inside. He who loves the vase loves also what is inside." Now, at first I was thinking, well, just because somebody loves the outside of something doesn't necessarily mean they love the inside of it. And that we can take that in many cases. We can take that, with the person's body. We can take that with, a car. We can take that with almost anything. So evidently, it couldn't have meant it in that way. So then I chose to switch my focus and, try to see if I can correlate with the message. And what I got from the message is, well, if you love the vase, right? Then it's understood that you love the inside. That meant that you probably most likely the person who this is referring to is the person who put the vase around what's inside of the vase. Okay? So if it's flowers in the vase, then that person probably planted those flowers which loved the flowers in the first place, and then designed or then purchased the vase that they felt like complemented what was inside of it. So that's how I got the motivation. I'm sorry, that's how I got the African proverb of today and understood it. So if we work from the inside out, then we'll be always, it'll be understood that we'll love what's outside because, what's outside is a complement to what's inside. So, with that being said, this is why we are a holistic health and fitness company. Everything has to start with the inside. First, them thoughts, then your spirit, who you are, okay, what you stand for, what you're about. And then from there, you mold your outside to fit who you are inside, which then you will always be happy with what's outside because you're happy with the transformation of what you have been able to become inside. Okay? That's today's message. I hope you, understand that and can apply that message to your life. And tune in next week on Monday and we'll have another message for you. Announcements. This month we are doing a transformation program that starts exactly a week from today with Kira Lee, who has lost 123 pounds, all natural, no supplements, no surgeries, none of those things. So on this email, if you're sending it on through the newsletter, go down and apply for that program. If you feel like this is something that you are wanting to do to transform. Yes, particularly in weight loss for this particular month, but this starts in a week from now, so definitely don't waste time. And if you just want to reach out to us at any time and ask us questions related to health, holistic health, fitness, veganism, any of those things, we're here. All right, so see you next time. Whatever platform you on, try to share this video, and we'll talk soon. Peace.